A word on these vortexing standpipes that I make. Here it is with just a gradual flow. I always have one hose that will supply a deep water bed like this at the same time that it's filling the top bed, so that I've always got some flow coming out the end of this pipe, and that vortex creates a lot of dissolved oxygen. You can see the bubbles there, but that's not what I'm excited about. It's over here. See if I can get some scale here. It's over here. If you start looking, you get these microscopic bubbles. And they're so small that their volume, the surface area, is such that they just barely float. If you pick one and start counting how long it takes one of those to get to the surface, you're getting to like 10-12 seconds. And you can also see that when they come out, they're all spun up from the vortex, and they go down for a while and they get stuck down in the flow. So this just all helps really increase your dissolved oxygen, and that's without a compressor. Right? Just running the pumps all the time, which is good for turning your water over. I think this is a good device to help increase that. I'm working on some others. I will show some of those a little later. Well, I'll give you a peek at one I'm testing right now. This guy is not quite doing what I want, but it's very close. It creates a vortex, and it's supposed to increase dissolved oxygen too, but it's not inducing the way that I hoped, and I don't have much flow coming out of it at the moment either. Oh, it's because I've got it off. There we go. I don't know if you can see what's going on there or not. See, it creates a pretty nice vortex on its own. It's got some kind of exotic shaped parts in the middle that are only possible because of 3D printing. But it's supposed to be inducing airflow in there too, and I don't have that part working. I'm not getting the pressure drop in the center of the vortex the way that I'm supposed to, so I'm doing another iteration on this component. This is just connect to a 1/2 inch vinyl hose. You can see it's blowing out where it's supposed to be inducing flow in this leg right now. I'm not quite sure what I've done wrong here. Maybe I just don't have good seals. It could be a number of things. Anyway, I'm going to bypass it altogether and force the water in. And I apologize for the lighting. It kind of drives the camera nuts with the bars and the spectral lines, whatever it is.